Back in 1963, most buyers went for the flashy Impala hardtops, but serious racers often chose something different, the Bel Air two-door post-sedan. Its fixed B-pillar made the body lighter and stronger than the hardtops, giving it an edge at the drag strip. And while it looked modest on the outside, it could be ordered with the same high-performance engines and 4-speed transmissions. A true sleeper with factory pedigree. Powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 with a Muncie 4-speed manual, today, that makes cars like this a rare and desirable find. The blue Impression vinyl and cloth interior presents very well for its age, with original controls, that cool factory Tach, and shifter all intact. Bench seats, panels, and clean headliner maintain an authentic period look, while showcasing the car's originality. Finished in its correct Ermine White with chrome restored by North Star plating, the car has been brought back with remarkable detail. Upgrades include front disc brakes, 16-inch steel wheels, and new tires. That makes it ready for the road, the cruise-in, or the weekend show. This 1963 Bel Air offers the best of both worlds. Authentic styling and rare options, paired with thoughtful upgrades for reliability and dependable road performance. Affordable restored classics of this caliber do not stay in our inventory for long. Contact us today to learn more about making this Bel Air yours before it is gone.